Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Kaylee. Today is lesson 9 of our English course. And in today's lesson, you will learn numbers 30 to 1000 and how to say your telephone number in English. Let's get started. Listen to the conversation. What's your phone number? It's 634 5570. Listen again. What's your phone number? It's 634 5570. Okay. How do you say 55 in phone numbers? Listen again. It's 634 5570. How do you say 55? Good. We say double 5. 634 5570. Well done. And how do we say 0 in phone numbers? Good. We use O. 5570. Excellent. You can also use 0, but often people will say O. 634 5570. Good, well done. Okay, let's learn some more numbers. Repeat with me. 30. Good, well done. 31. Well done. 40. Good, excellent. 47. Good, excellent. 50. 59. Good, well done. Let's look at the next one. 60. Good, excellent. Let's look at this one. 63. Good. 70. 72. Excellent. 80. 86. Good, well done. Let's learn some more. 90. 94. Good. The next one we have 100. Or 100. So you can say 100 or 100. Good. Let's look at this one. 250. 250. So the 2 is the 200 and the 5 and the 0 are 50. 250. Good. And the last one is 1,000. 1,000. Or you can say 1,000. 1,000. 1,000 or 1,000. Good, well done. Okay, let's try an exercise. Okay, can you write the numbers? Write the numbers. Okay, so listen to the number and write the number down. Let's look at the first one. 37. 37. How do you write the numbers for 37. Did you get it right? Excellent. You have a 3, 30 and 7. 37. Good, well done. Okay, let's try the next one. 43. 43. Can you write down the number? Did you get it right? We've got a 4 for 40 and 3. 43. Good job. Let's try the next one. 65. 65. Okay, can you write down the number? Good. Did you get it right? We have the 6 from 60 and 5. 65. Good, well done. Let's go to the next one. 52. 52. Okay, can you write down the number? Let's check. Did you get it correct? 5, 2. 52. Good, well done. Let's try another one. 84. 84. Can you write down the number? Good, well done. 8 for 80 and 4. 84. Good, well done. Okay, what about the next one? We have 90. 90. So which number is this? Can you write it down? Good. Did you get it right? This is 90. 90. Good. Well done. 2 more. So the next one is 77. 77. 77. Can you write it down? Let's see if you've got it right. Good. 77. This is a double 7. 7 and 7. 77. Good. Well done. And the last one, slightly longer. Okay. This one is 225. 225. Can you write down the number? Let's see if you've got it right. 225. 225. Excellent. Did you get them all correct? Comment below. Well done. And that is the end of today's lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.